I do all these things without background or without something that has happened to my family. We have lost brothers to alcohol. We have buried them. My own brother and brothers-in-law. When I speak as one who has knowledge of what that thing can do. Some of them were engineers. The one we buried, another one was a medical doctor in South Africa who died. Please, I beg you, stay sober. Make right decision. Take the time and chance and use them properly.
I'm an economics graduate from the University of Nairobi. I graduated in 2014. I was supposed to graduate in 2013, but due to alcoholism, I got a miss unit and I didn't graduate that year. I was an alcoholic. Right now, I'm 4 months sober.